I'm Annie from Wenzo Saikai. Welcome to our production workshop. This little card I'm holding is the finished product from our factory's Easy Fold card packaging machine. Behind me is the fully automatic Easy Fold card packaging machine. This equipment is widely applied within the cosmetics, food, and pharmaceutical industries, particularly for liquid and paste products such as honey, serums, and various creams. This equipment also fully automates the entire process, including everything from bag making, precise filling, and secure notch sealing, all the way to the final product output. Its core advantage is precisely this non-sticky design. Once you, the user, get your hands on the finished product, with just a gentle snap, with just one hand, you can effortlessly squeeze out the contents, making it both hygienic and incredibly convenient. Alright, now follow me and let's take a closer look together at how this equipment's workflow operates.
As you can see, what about this machine? Equipped with two laminating mechanisms, which are the soft and a hard film laminating mechanism. What about before the Dura goes to the heat seal station? There will be a cutting process. Cut easy creases on the Duro, which is like this kind of easy two-fold mark. This tool also directly determines, can users easily use this machine with one hand? And finally, at the same time at this step, the soft and hard films synchronously enter the heat sealing station, heat seal bonding, and forming the cavity. After the cavity is formed, we come to the filling process. It is worth mentioning that our equipment is also equipped with the ceramic pump filling system independently developed by our company. Its filling accuracy reached 23%. It is also equipped with a small character inkjet printer. It can print production batches, include decodes and QR codes, surface spraying on packages. After the filling is completed, we came to the heat sealing station to seal, to show the final sealing of the package. After the sealing is completed, then conveyed via traction from the traction mechanism, we have reached the finished product cutting process. This mold take continuous packaging board, cut into individual units. After that, it came to our discharge link.
Its core advantage remains the non-sticky design. Once users have the finished product, they can simply snap it open to easily squeeze out the contents, like honey, making it both hygienic and convenient. So, to put it simply, this fully automatic, easy fold card packaging machine is a prime example of our factory's highly efficient and clean automation. If you wish more details, feel free to contact us anytime.